Ever made changes in a Google Doc and wanted to go back? Here's how version history can save your work. Open your Google Doc, then go to the top menu and click on File, then Version History, and select See Version History. You'll see a panel on the right showing all previous versions of your document, sorted by time and date. Each version shows who made what changes, and you can click through to view the document exactly as it looked at that moment. Google even highlights edits, uh, like by color based on who made them, which is great for team collaboration. If you want to restore an older version, just click the three dots next to it and select Restore this version. Don't worry, restoring won't delete the newer versions. You can always go back again if you need it. You can also name specific versions to keep track of major updates like final draft or submitted versions. This makes organizing your work super simple, and that's how version history works in Google Docs. It's easy, powerful, and builds right in. And this was helpful. Make sure to like and follow for more simple Google Workspace tips.